Hello everyone, we're excited to share the latest updates from PortaSwitch maintenance release 119. This release brings new features to help you maintain profitability, make your operations smoother, and customer experience even better. Let's dive into the details. First up, we have added origin-based call rating, a game-changer for telecom service providers operating in markets where vendors charge differently depending on where a call originates. For example, calls to the same destination like Turkey might cost 10 cents per minute from Canada, 20 cents per minute from Morocco, and 40 cents per minute from Algeria. With PortaSwitch, you can now create tariffs with multiple pricing options per destination based on the caller's number or CLI. The system can either apply a surcharge to the base price or set a new arbitrary value for the price if the caller's number matches a specific rate code. This enables you to align with your vendor's origin-based pricing. The result? The system properly utilizes the least cost routing capabilities, and your vendor cost calculations match reality, allowing you to properly check and reconcile vendor invoices to prevent revenue leakage. You can also implement origin-based pricing for your customers, like enterprises or call centers with users in multiple countries, as well as resellers. Next up, developers who build custom voice applications. This one is for you. If you're building solutions like an order dialer for confirming patient appointments, we can now implement custom logic for playing and stopping prompts, collecting DTMF codes, and performing further actions, like redirecting calls, with just 2 API calls, call control play and con control get input, as opposed to 4 separate API calls before. For example, the method call control play now handles both laying and stopping prompts, allowing you to achieve the same results with less effort. We've also got a handy update for call centers, which are all about efficiency and customer satisfaction. With MR119, agents and supervisors can now transfer external calls directly to a call queue. For example, when moving a call from one queue to another. Previously, calls could only be transferred to a HAN group, bypassing the queue, or to an auto-attendant, requiring callers to enter DTMF code to join the queue. Now PortaSwitch enables direct queue transfers without extra steps or complications. Picture this. A supervisor sees a caller waiting too long in one queue and just moves them to another with less waiting time. Such transfers can reduce the number of abandoned calls and make customers happier. Now let's move on to payment allocation tracing. If payment disputes arise, we've got you back. When a payment is applied to multiple invoices starting from the oldest, an admin can now see exactly how it was distributed and whether there was an overpayment. So some amount went to unallocated payments and will be applied to future invoices. Here's how the admin can find this information. Locate the relevant payment and click Allocation per invoice to see a detailed breakdown. Locate the relevant invoice and hover over the paid amount tooltip to quickly see which payments contributed to this invoice. Check unallocated payment details with another handed tooltip showing which payment or payments contributed to it. For example, if a customer asks why their services are still suspended after making a payment, the admin can quickly see that the payment didn't fully cover the most recent overdue invoice and provide an explanation. Lastly, we've enabled tracking subscriptions with 100% discounts, such as promotional offers. When a customer has such a subscription, PortaBilling generates a zero-charge XDR. This record appears on custom invoices to show that the service is active and provided for free. For example, if customers get 3 months of free call recording, their invoices will show call recording with a zero charge. You can analyze free service usage to assess financial impact and maintain control. That's MR119 in a nutshell, from smarter call rating to simplified con control API and payment tracing. These features are here to support your business goals. Have questions or want to learn more? Drop them in the comments below and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.